What do you think Momo found in the river? Was it treasure? Was it a secret map? Or was it something even more surprising? Let's find out. One sunny morning, Momo the monkey and Diddy the little duckling were walking near the river. The water was clear and shiny. Small fish swam in the water. Birds sang in the trees. "It is a beautiful day," said Diddy. Momo smiled. "Let's see what we can find today." The two friends walked along the riverbank. Suddenly, Momo stopped. "Wait," he said. "What is that?" Diddy looked toward the water. Something was floating in the river. It was brown, it was round, and it was moving slowly with the water. "What is it?" asked Diddy. "I don't know," said Momo. The object floated past them. The friends ran along the river to follow it. Maybe it was something valuable. Maybe it was something special. The mystery made them excited. Soon the object became stuck between two rocks. Momo carefully reached into the water. He pulled it out. "It looks like a box," said Diddy. The box was old. It was made of wood, and it had a small metal lock. Momo's eyes grew wide. "A treasure box," Diddy gasped. "Do you think there is treasure inside?" The friends sat beside the river. They looked at the box. Then they looked at each other. Slowly, Momo opened the lid. Creak! The box opened. Inside was nothing. No gold, no jewels, no treasure. Diddy looked disappointed. Just an empty box. Momo looked inside again. Then he noticed something. Wait! There was a folded piece of paper at the bottom. Momo carefully picked it up. The paper was old and wet. He opened it. On the paper was a drawing. It showed a tree, a big tree, and next to the tree was a red X. "A treasure map," shouted Diddy. Now the adventure was becoming exciting again. The friends followed the map. They walked through the forest. They crossed a small bridge. Finally, they found a very large tree. "It must be this one," said Momo. Near the roots, they saw the red X painted on a rock. Diddy could hardly wait. "Dig! Dig! Dig!" The two friends started digging. A few minutes later, Momo hit something hard. Thunk! "There is something down there." They dug a little more. Soon they pulled out a small metal box. This was the real treasure box. Momo opened it. Inside were not gold coins. Inside were not diamonds. Instead, they found dozens of colorful photographs. Pictures of animals. Pictures of friends. Pictures of happy days. There was also a small note. Momo read it aloud. "These are my favorite memories. If you find this box, remember that friends and happy moments are the greatest treasure." Diddy smiled. "I like that." Momo smiled too. It is true. Gold can be lost. Money can disappear. But good memories stay in our hearts. The friends carefully put the box back where it belonged. Then they walked home beside the river. The sun was setting. The water sparkled like gold. And both friends felt happy. That day, Momo found something in the river. Not treasure made of gold, but a treasure made of memories. The end. Did you enjoy this adventure with Momo and Diddy? Then don't forget to subscribe to Momo and Diddy Storytime Zone so you never miss our next fun story. See you in the next adventure.